Welcome to MarineMax Island Marine in Ocean View, New Jersey. Today, we're going to be taking a look at our new 420 Boston Whaler Outrage quad 400 boat, joystick boat. We're going to walk through the boat, take a look at the options. I encourage you to call us down to see this boat. It is in the water today. Great boat. Point out some options before we get on. Does have a sunshade in the back. Does have outriggers, your boarding step, your transom door. Boat does have the motor flush. There are quad 400s. We'll get on board. We'll take a look through. We enter the 420. I'm going to go through the options quickly. There are so many. There's your boarding ladder. Boarding ladder goes in, the handle for the door. Live well. This boat does have the door refrigerators, kitchen in the back, the electric stove, let the video speak for itself. Seat does pop up on top of the center, mezzanine style seating. The boat does have 3 bolstered seats across. The middle seat is electric. There's a switch, goes fore and aft. Little standing platform. Your VHF, your active trim, your push button starts. Your 3 large screens across the helm. Your Mercury screen. It is a joystick boat with a spotlight. It does have a skylight over my head. It has a Lenco trim tabs. Take a look at this. The sunroof. One-piece windshield forward with a vent. Boat does have a full enclosure. It's still summer. It's not on. Jump seats on either side. Full bolsters. Take a walk forward. Storage on the side. Up front, we have the electric table. So you have the seating, the backrest that comes up, storage underneath, your windlass forward. You come around. So you have your 3 seats on the sun pad with your cup holders. Get a better angle on it. Plenty of room up front for half dozen or more people. Storage on the floor. Controls for the table, the stereo. Storage on the side. Gray marine. Open array. Spotlight. Light forward, your horns, your running lights. Storage on the floor. Walk down inside in the cabin. Take a look. Plenty of seating. Your galley, your TV. Your head, your shower. Plenty of space inside. Still has the smell of new wood. The air conditioning's on. Your sunroof inside. This is a quick walkthrough of our 42. There's a lot more options and we'd really like to take the time and show it to you. Boat is at our dealership here in New Jersey. Please call us. Come and see us. We'd love to give you a personal tour. Something a little bit more in depth. It's a beautiful boat. Very well thought out. We're very proud of this boat. Give us a call. We'll be glad to talk to you. Thank you.